Namaskar. 3D printing, the technology nowadays making sound in medical field. 3D printing offers more and more applications in medical field to save and improve lives the way we never imagined. Thanks to the different benefit the technology adds to the medical field. Here we are listing some of most important benefits of the 3D printing. Presurgical planning. 3D printing offers better presurgical planning to the surgeons. 3D model of anatomical structures that can used by the surgeons to accurate surgical planning. 3D printing allows better surgical approach along with cross-sectional imaging on patient-specific anatomy. 3D printing offers possibility to choose the accurate size of implants before doing the surgery. Let's go to other benefit of the 3D printing. Customized surgical instruments and prosthetics. 3D printing can be used to manufacture customized surgical instrument and prosthetic according to the requirement of the patients. This will reduce the cost of operating and manufacturing prosthetics. Another use of the 3D printing is osteoporosis condition study. Following the drug treatment, 3D printing allows physicians to validate the result achieved by the patient in osteoporosis condition. This enables physicians to estimate condition of bone and better decision on the surgical treatment. The next benefit of the 3D printing is testing different devices in specific pathway. For example, reproduction of vascular patterns to test the effectiveness of cardiovascular system used to treat coronary and peripheral artery diseases. In this way, 3D printing offers quickly produce the prototypes and new designs concepts along with improvement in existing devices. Next benefit of 3D printing is patient education. Healthcare professionals, hospitals, research centers nowadays using 3D printed anatomical structures to educate the patient. It improves patient satisfaction and it reduces the time of the physician and it reduces the anxiety of the patients while operating. Next benefit of 3D printing is in forensic practice. In the courtroom, some of the time it is difficult to explain to the jury member what are the abnormalities in the anatomical structures. So, 3D printed anatomical structures can be used to demonstrate abnormalities in the anatomical structures to the jury members. Next most important benefit of 3D printing is bioprinting. Printing 3D anatomical tissues using bio-inks. For example, 3D printing of synthetic skin to transplanting patients who suffering from burns. Another example is replicating heart valves using combinations of cells and biomaterials to control valve stiffness. And next examples of bioprinting is replicating human ears. 3D printing using mold-filled gel containing bovine cartilage cells suspended in collagen. While the bioprinting of fully functional heart, kidney, liver still the futuristic, but advancement in technology is happening very rapidly. So let's hope for fully functional heart, kidney, liver very soon. Next benefit of 3D printing is personalized drug by using 3D printing. In comorbid conditions, physicians use multiple drugs to the single patients at single time. By using 3D printing, very soon you may able to print single pill with many drugs. You can slow or fast the drug release by using 3D print layers. There are many other 3D printing uses in the medical field. This is the most disruptive technology, has potential to change significantly in the medical field. We are coming up with such useful content for you always. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.